Alam mo, nais kong ibahagi sa iyo ang mga salitang ito na maaaring makatulong sa pinagdadaanan mo ngayon. Nakita ko to sa Facebook at nung nabasa ko ito, medyo gumana ang aking pakiramdam at sana ganun din ang maramdaman mo kapag napanood mo ang video na ito. Don't compare yourself with others. Everyone has their own role to play. The first step is always the hardest. There is always a way. Never give up. Effort plus wrong tools equals no results. The most dangerous creature on this planet is a fake friend. Sugar and salt look the same. Be careful who you trust. Happiness is a state of mind. It's just according to the way you look at things. Make sure that what you chase in life is worth dying for. If size really mattered, the elephant would be king of the jungle. We fall, we fail, we break, but then we rise, we heal, we overcome. Your current behavior will be reflected in your future life. Unity is strength. Don't be afraid to choose a different path than others. Find the place that brings you peace. Think before you say something. Be careful when you blindly follow the masses. Never judge someone without knowing the whole story. Live in the moment because you will never get it back. Your mind is like a factory. The ingredients you are putting into it will be used to make the final product, your life. Sana may natutunan ka ngayong araw na to, kapatid, at huwag mo rin kalimutang ibahagi sa iba. At ma-appreciate ko kung i-follow mo ang page na to dahil mas marami ka pang videos na mapapanood kagaya nito. Mag-iingat ka palagi, stay safe, and God bless.